Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate to your Mac using Apple Watch Unlock step by step clearly. To start, ensure your Apple Watch is unlocked and on your wrist. Make sure your Mac is turned on and awake. On your Mac, go to the Apple menu in the upper left corner of the screen. Select System Preferences from the drop-down menu. In the System Preferences window, click on Security and Privacy. Look for the option that says Allow your Apple Watch to unlock your Mac. Make sure to check the box next. You may be asked to enter your Mac's password to confirm this change. Once confirmed, close the System Preferences window. Next, ensure both your Apple Watch and Mac are using the same Apple ID. Also, confirm that your Apple Watch has a wrist detection feature enabled. To verify this, open the Watch app on your iPhone. Tap on passcode and ensure wrist detection is turned on. Now, lock your Mac by clicking on the Apple menu again and selecting Lock Screen. Once the screen is locked, simply wake your Mac. You should see a prompt indicating that your Apple Watch is attempting to unlock your Mac. When it successfully unlocks, you will see your desktop reappear immediately. If prompted, make sure to approve any dialog that appears on your watch. Congratulations, you've now set up Apple Watch Unlock for your Mac. Feel free to use this method whenever you want to access your Mac quickly and securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.